hymns.
Hello, and thank you for watching. I would like to show you how to do a few things with your email, such as send and receive email and move through your inboxes. The shortcut for launching the email program is function key 1 plus E, but I'm going to go through email by going to the Start menu and scrolling through the menus. To get to the Start menu, I'm going to press function key 1,
File Manager, F,
and I'm going to use my scroll buttons to move through the Start menu to the email program.
Word Processor, W, Document Reader, K, Email, E, Subject,
So I'm in my inbox and I muted it so that we wouldn't have subjects jabbering all over the place.
Unread Subject, December Monthly Statement, More Destinations, A Circumflex Optional hyphen More Ways to Earn, or use Miles 266, 267.
I have a lot of emails in here. When I open my email box, it takes me to the subject field, and at this point, if I want to move in between emails, I can use .1 in the space bar or .4 in the space bar, which will jump from email to email. I can move to different fields within an email message by using my tab, function key 3, or shift tab, space with function key 3. Or if I come to an email that I want to read, I can simply press enter and the email message will open. Unread messages have dots 3, 6 in the very left-hand part of the Braille display. Messages with an attachment will have an A on the very left-hand side of the Braille display. If a message is unread and has an attachment, you will see dots 3, 6 followed by an A to show that the message is unread and that it has an attachment. If I want to create a new email, I can press enter with dots 2, 4, 5, 6 to write an email.
2.
And it takes me automatically to the to field. Now I can write the email address for the person that this email is to. I can also use my list of contacts by pressing enter with the letter L. If I want to write the email to more than one person, I can separate their email address with a semicolon and a space. If I'm using UEB, I do not have to use computer Braille. To move between fields, I press my tab key or function key 3.
CC.
I move to the CC field, where again I can use my contacts by using enter plus L, or I can write in the email addresses of my contacts separated by a semicolon and a space if I'm sending to more than one person. If I press function key 3 again,
BCC.
this is the blind carbon copy field, and it works exactly like the to and CC fields. I'm going to press tab again,
Subject.
and I will type my email
Email.
test.
Message body.
And I press tab again, and I go to the message body. After I've finished writing my email, I can send it by pressing enter plus S. If I want to attach a file to my email, I can press enter plus the letter F. Then I use my normal file navigation commands and features to find the file or files that I want to attach. If I want to attach more than one file, I put a space next to each file that I want to attach. When I'm finished selecting files to attach, I press enter, the files are attached to the email, and I press enter plus S to send.
Sending. Successfully sent new message. Unread subject, December monthly statement.
And it takes me back to my subject where I have my unread December monthly statement. And that's basically all there is to sending and receiving an email. If I have multiple accounts, I can shift tab or tab to change the account that I use to send email from. And don't forget, when we set up our email accounts, we were asked to check the box next to an account that you would use as your default send from account. So if you only have one email account, that's not an issue, but if you have two, then you have one of those selected as your default account to send from. Thank you for watching, and that'll do it.